Namaste, you are listening to Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. I am your host, Vani. In the last episode, Swapnil explained the philosophical reason for returning to India. Today, you will hear the ultimate proof of Swapnil's extraordinary love, his formal proposal before my papa, and that joyous moment when all my worries vanished and our roka was performed. Proof of extraordinary love. Test of wisdom. Bua, Alka ma'am, tested Swapnil's decision to come to India on his logic of not becoming American garbage. Swapnil said his shifting to India would be a matter of pride for both America and India, and Bua was satisfied. Dutiful love. Swapnil's decision to leave America and come to India was a symbol of his extraordinary love for me. I felt, only a few rare girls find a husband who loves like this. Awareness of the past, there was peace in my mind. I accepted that my resolution to remain unmarried until now was a sign of my immaturity and inexperience. I accepted all circumstances that made me worthy of Swapnil. Emotional welcome and formal proposal. Not expected. 2 days later we reached Alka ma'am's house. I saw Swapnil at the door. After Papa went inside, Swapnil welcomed me by taking me in an embrace and kissing both cheeks according to Western custom. Adopted son. Inside, Swapnil's grandparents surrounded us. Grandfather said that on Swapnil's decision to stay in India, they asked Alka ma'am to make him her adopted son. Proposal and acceptance. Standing on his knees before me, Swapnil said, I want to propose marriage to Vani after getting Neeraj uncle's consent. Papa said with pride, this relationship will be a matter of luck and pride for us. Roka completed. Upon my expressing surprise, Swapnil put a precious ring on my finger, and I too completed the roka ceremony by putting a ring on his finger. A new path in life. Joy and simplicity. I was engrossed in my own joy. I was surprised that while ensuring the fulfillment of my wish, Swapnil's love presented this difficult task before everyone as an extremely simple task. New future. The family decided that Swapnil would take Indian citizenship, understand Alka ma'am's business, and take it over in due time. Change in relationship. After lunch, Bua, now Swapnil's mother, said to my papa, Neeraj ji, now Vani has become my daughter. I would love to hear, mother, for myself from her voice. My vow of remaining unmarried is broken, and my love Swapnil has left his country for me. All the complexities of my life have been solved by effortless love and unbreakable dedication. Power of love and support of fate in Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. You will hear Episode 65, Love like reversing the flow of the Ganges, adopted son, and happy conclusion of Roka.
Swapnil thought for a while and then said, if I hadn't improved myself, I wouldn't have been the right person to migrate to India either. Why should any American garbage be dumped in India? American garbage should be dumped in America itself. Now that according to your words I have become a good man, in such a situation, my shifting to India can be a matter of pride for both America and India. America is giving its best to India, from which India can benefit.
Swapnil has passed Bua's test. Now Bua appears to be satisfied. Son, if you think so, then as per Vani's wish, I welcome your decision to move to India by marrying her. The video ended with ma'am saying this. The video made it clear, Swapnil has decided to leave America and come to India. At a time when Indian youth are racing to go to America considering their future bride there, Swapnil's decision to come to India is like reversing the flow of the Ganges. One aspect of the decision also shows the extent to which Swapnil loves me. Only rare girls find a husband who loves like this. To be included in the category of those rare girls is a matter of pride for me. My nights in the past few months have been spent in restlessness and various types of doubts. In contrast, tonight I am calm and satisfied. Now I know that for many days, beyond my knowledge, my papa, Alka ma'am, Rishil, and Swapnil himself have been active in arranging the union of Swapnil and me. Without the consent of Swapnil's mom and dad and Parag, Swapnil cannot take the decision to come to India. This makes it clear that uncle, auntie, and Parag are also in favor of our marriage. I am thinking whether my resolution to remain unmarried till now is a symbol of my immature wisdom. I feel it is indicative of my inexperience. I could never have imagined before that a boy like Swapnil would ever come into my life. By coming in contact with whom those feelings of mine would be awakened which have already existed in my body and mind in a dormant state. perhaps they would have remained dormant for life if I hadn't met Swapnil. Remembering the past, the things I used to consider as adversities of life, for which I used to have a complaining attitude towards Papa or anyone else, today they seem to me like that fertile soil, air, and water, by whose presence the seeds of plants or trees etc. germinate inside the earth. And one day, taking the form of a beautiful tree, creeper, or plant, provide fruits, flowers, and many types of vegetation to the creatures of the world. I too have been brought up and cultured in such circumstances, whether they were favorable or unfavorable. I have always felt the existence of love around me. Yet I myself have never been infatuated with anyone's love. All this seems to have happened to me due to the indirect play of God. If I were not like this, I could not have made a place in the heart and dreams of Swapnil, who was born and living thousands of kilometers away from me, in the form of his queen. My simplicity may seem like helplessness to someone else, but that same simplicity and truth has influenced Swapnil in such a way that to get me, he is preparing to settle in India by voluntarily leaving a country like America, just so that he can marry me while respecting my wish. Now I am waiting for when I can meet Swapnil. 2 days later, Papa and I were invited for lunch by Alka ma'am. We have reached ma'am's house. I found Swapnil standing at the door to welcome us. He has touched my papa's feet. When Papa went inside while giving blessings, Swapnil welcomed me by taking me in his embrace and kissing both my cheeks. All this felt very dear to me, but being unexpected, I started smiling with my head bowed shyly. Some domestic workers are present nearby, who know me very well. Swapnil welcomed me according to Western custom by avoiding Papa's gaze, but the presence of others had no effect on him. Feeling a surge in my body due to being so close to Swapnil again after many days, I entered inside with Swapnil. Apart from Alka ma'am and Papa, Swapnil's grandparents showered flower petals on both of us. At that time the slow sound of Na Kajre Ki Dhar, instrumental, is echoing there. Everyone sat face to face. Ma'am has made Swapnil and me sit on her right and left.
Our younger grandson Swapnil has decided to leave America and live in India. When he told me, I asked my daughter Alka to adopt him as her son. Swapnil's grandfather is addressing my papa while looking at Swapnil and ma'am respectively.
This is a matter of great joy, my papa said and clapped. Then I too started clapping involuntarily. Everyone present there jointly expressed their joy by clapping along with our clapping.
This auspicious information has not been told to anyone else yet. Neeraj ji and daughter Vani are being informed first because along with this decision, Swapnil wants to do one more auspicious work. Grandfather started looking at Swapnil while saying this.
I want to propose marriage to Vani after getting Neeraj uncle's consent. Swapnil is looking at my papa with a look that awaits hearing consent.
Which father would not be eager for his daughter's marriage with such a worthy son of this prestigious lineage? This relationship will be a matter of luck and pride for us. The joy on Papa's face cannot be hidden.
Then that thought has come to my mind. I am thinking whether Papa knows about Swapnil's past or not. Everyone is looking at me at this time.
What is the matter? Why does Vani look in a dilemma? Swapnil's grandmother questioned while trying to understand my expressions.
I cannot believe what I am seeing and hearing right now, I said, hiding some things and telling some.
I feel Vani, you are made for me. Do you also feel the same about me? Swapnil is saying while standing on his knees in front of me in everyone's presence.
This has been a moment of unexpected joy for me. I stood up startled. I helped Swapnil stand back up while holding his hands in both of my hands. Yes, Swapnil, after meeting you I also feel the same, that God has made you for me, not something artificial, but the truth came out of my mouth. I didn't even feel hesitant that my papa is also seated there. Then Swapnil took out a small box by putting his hand in his pocket and opening it, took out a precious beautiful ring and put it on my finger. Everyone started clapping. At the same time Alka ma'am gave me a ring. I understood and looking into Swapnil's eyes, put it on his finger with love. Everyone clapped once again. In this way, Roka ceremony was completed with simplicity among the family members. Both of us together, starting from grandfather, touched the feet of everyone up to my papa one by one. After this, in lunch, everyone is savoring the food while chatting in an atmosphere of joy. My attention is not on all those things. I have been engrossed in my own joy and slowly chewed the morsels of food. I am surprised, while ensuring the fulfillment of my wish, was it so simple to arrange the solution for my marriage with Swapnil. In fact, it was extremely difficult. However, Swapnil's love for me has presented this difficult task before everyone by making it an extremely simple task. It is not in every girl's luck to get a groom like Swapnil. I am proud of my luck. No one has said anything to me during this. They probably don't want to cause any disturbance in the feelings of my joy. They are talking among themselves. One topic of conversation is about the process of Swapnil's taking Indian citizenship. After that, the focus of everyone's talk has been about Swapnil's understanding of Alka Ma'am's business and his role in it. It has been decided that while helping his Bua, Swapnil will gradually develop an understanding of the business and in due time he will take over the entire business. Bua's, now Swapnil's mother, plan is to retire in the future. This is the gist of what they were talking about.
Neeraj ji, now Vani has become my daughter. I would love to hear mother for myself from her voice, ma'am is saying to us while seeing us off after lunch.
Gemini's critique, creative guidance, and presentation instructions. Dear listeners, episode 65 is a pure and complete story of love, fate, and self-realization. It shows how the adversities faced in life only take us to the heights that we can never even imagine. Vani's transition from a vow of celibacy to a total acceptance of love through Swapnil's sacrifice is a testament to the power of devotion. The Roka ceremony marks the merging of traditional values and deep emotional connections. Episode 65 ends.